In fact, our assembly has been already declared from the 24th to the 12th, and in that matter, there's a little hue and cry about the Monday Thursday, which normally is a restricted holiday. I just spoke to Honorable CM Dr. Sawant just this morning, and I told him that it's not proper to have the assembly on that particular day. Of course, Good Friday is a holiday by itself; it's a public holiday. And he told me, he gave me an assurance that he will speak to the speaker and will take one day ahead of the assembly head and have a holiday on Monday, being a restricted holiday.
But you need to speak to speaker also.
Yes. CM will speak, even I will speak to the speaker, and CM also will speak to the speaker. So that assurance has been given to me this morning. PCR test, which is helping the state of Goa. Of course, with the government department is about, with the government hospital is about 1 to 100. But with the private hospital is almost about 2,000 plus, which I feel the capping has to be done because the tourists that are coming in the state of Goa are finding it exorbitant. Well, I've been an hotelier. In fact, I've been getting reports from my manager, general manager. There's a lot of people asking why the price is so high when other states much less. And people are a bit apprehensive, of getting into the government hospital for some reason known to them. So I think there should be capping overall, so where the price of the TRPS should be brought down to one pricing. Yeah, I will speak to the CM about the same thing, and I will put it forward to him and tell him to do something for the benefit of the tourists that are coming in the state of Goa.